Oh, hello my YouTube friends, and welcome to another episode of Magnum Videos. We're back in the kitchen again tonight, and we're getting ready to make some beautiful club sandwiches. So stay right there. I'll be back in about 4 or 5 seconds. Alrighty, this bread we're using is an Italian bread that is baked fresh every day at Walmart, and it only costs $1 for the whole loaf. So we're going to slice off 4 slices here and start putting these sandwiches together. So let me do the slicing and then I'll be right back. Alrighty, we've got the bread sliced, and we're going to put a little bit of mayonnaise. Actually, this is Miracle Whip, which Rosie prefers to mayonnaise. So put a little bit of that on there. And while I'm doing this, I don't know if you can see it from here or not, but I have a little bit of butter melting on this griddle. And we're going to let that melt a little bit while we're getting these all ready to go. Alright, so that's the mayonnaise portion. Next, a little bit of yellow mustard. Not too much. Alrighty, takes care of that. Next, we have some Black Forest ham. And this is very good stuff. I think you would like it if you were here. This is the Black Forest ham. Put a couple of slices of that on there. Actually, I think we could do 3 slices, make it a kind of a hearty sandwich. Not to be confused with a sandwich from Hardee's. Okay, so that's the ham. And then we've got some honey roasted turkey breast. And we'll put a little bit of that on there too. But before we do that, we're going to add a little bit of cheese. We've got some Swiss, and a little bit of American. And a little bit of mozzarella. I'm thinking if I were you, I would be wishing that I was here, because this is going to be very tasty when we get done. Alright, so we've got our 3 cheeses. And then, now we can put on our honey roasted turkey breasts. That just about fits one slice right there. And our butter's melting nicely over there. And it should be ready in just a little bit. Turkey, turkey, turkey. Alright, now all we have to do is put the lid on, and we're ready to go on the griddle. So wait right there, I'll get these on the griddle and I'll be right back. Alright, we're ready for the griddle. I've got butter melted on the surface there. That's easier than buttering the bread on both sides. So we're going to put our beautiful sandwiches in here. And I'll turn this up to about low medium. And we'll just let those set there for a few minutes. The objective here is to toast the bread and melt the cheese. So this is going to take a few minutes, so I'll be back as soon as these are ready to flip over. So stay right there. Alrighty, we have flipped these over. They've got a nice golden color to them from sitting there in the butter, and the bread is getting toasty, so that's a good thing. And we'll let them cook on this side for a little bit, and we'll be back as soon as they're done. So I know you probably don't want to watch this whole process take place, but I'll show you the finished product in just a minute. And there it is. Ham and turkey and cheese club sandwich with a little bit of potato salad and a pickle. So I'm going to take this over to the table and see what it tastes like. So meet me over there. I'll be there in just a moment. Alright, here we are at the table. We're going to give this a try. I'm sure the potato salad is delish. Let me see. Very nice. Let's give this club sandwich a try. Can you see all that goodness in there? Alright, we'll give it a taste and see what we think. Oh yeah. Notice the bread is nicely toasted. The cheese is soft and melty. Gosh, that's good. We got the ham, and turkey breast. This is outstanding and very inexpensive. I don't know what else to tell you. I don't know what you guys are going to do, but as for me, I'm going to finish eating the rest of this. So until I speak with you again, and even after that, you stay focused.